You read it for me.
No, you can. You read it.
Okay, sit down. Okay.
Okay.
That's an ambulance. That's an ambulance. A hospital on. Cái gì?
I don't know.
Hospital on wheel. A mini hospital on wheel. Ring, ring. A call comes in. Oh no, a man is hurt. He needs
Emergency. Doctor. I don't know. I don't know. Ambulance.
Đúng rồi.
Who need an ambulance?
The person in an accident.
Why the person in the accident?
Person in accident hurt and need an ambulance. Whew, whew. Okay, so two workers get in. They will help the man. They drive the truck.
Ambulance?
Mm-hmm.
Police car?
Ooh. Sirens blare, lights flash.
What is that?
Ambulance.
Ambulance?
Mm-hmm.
Ambulance.
They rush down the road. Cars pull over. Zoom. The ambulance speeds by. Zoom. Oh no. There is a red light. It's okay. They push a button. It makes the light green. Here is the man. His car got hit. His head hurt. The workers get a stretcher. They put him in the truck, the ambulance truck. And this is a
I don't know.
stretcher.
Fisher.
Stretcher to put the hurt patient on, right? And they lift him, put him in the truck. Wee woo. Sirens blare, lights flash. They get to the hospital fast. Okay? Get to the hospital. Good work.
Team.
The end. Okay?
Read it one more time.
Okay.
Read.
Another concrete mixer, police. Sure. Okay. Now, get one. Get another one.
Here.
Get another one. Concrete mixer. Concrete mixer. Okay. Boo drives a concrete mixer. He is at the plant. He needs concrete for the job. Beep beep. He's back up. Beep beep. He's back up. Back up to the machine. The hooper. See the hooper open. Cement goes in. Water goes in. Rocks goes in. So they mix it. Understand? It has a drum. Okay? See the drum? Drum spin. That way the concrete inside does not dry. So this is a drum. Big one. And it spin. Because if it doesn't spin, the concrete will be the concrete will be dry and hard. Okay? Bob pulls the lever. The things inside mix. Okay? Vroom. He drives to the job site. They are
Construction night.
yeah, construction site. They're making a floor. Okay? At the job site, Boo puts on a chute. Chute. This is a chute. This is a chute. He pulls a lever. Look, the concrete comes out. It is wet. Soon it will dry. Okay? So the job is done. Nice work. The end. So what is this? What is the round thing here? It's a drum. And what inside the drum?
I don't know.
Come on, what inside the drum?
Concrete.
Exactly. Okay, another book. Come on, G.
Okay.
You're doing good, G.
Cars.
Okay.
Car.
Okay, sit down.
Brum.
Police. Helping, saving, protecting. Okay. So woo, 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 woo. Police rush off to start their day. Who knows what jobs will come their way? Come from the police station. And what is this?
American flag.
American flag. Can you read the Pledge of Allegiance?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United America. I don't know.
It's okay. Next time, okay? The chief is head of whole crew. He checks on what others do. See?
Share Labrador.
Mhm. Solving crimes, both old and new. Detectives. Detectives, that detectives.
Who's that?
Detectives look for every clue.
What is that?
Detective. A patrolman walking on his beat. Chase a
What is
burglar
that?
up a street.
What is that?
Burglar
And the police
chasing him.
Why?
Why? What he's stealing? What is he stealing? Stealing
Candy.
from the
I don't know.
candy shop.
Candy shop.
Uh-huh. Police have dogs that search and find. German Shepherds, steady and kind. See? K,
Nine.
K9. Remember the police? K9. Sometimes police bring dogs to school. Dogs must obey. That is the rule. Oh,
Police
okay.
heart. Police horse.
A policeman often call a cop. Some cops ride horse. Clip clop, clip clop, clip clop, clip clop. Police tell cars to stop and go. Tell speeding driver to go slow.
What happened?
They first aid boo boo right here.
Why?
I don't know. The baby maybe bump into something.
Accident?
They give directions. Give first aid. His first aid.
The police grab the what?
The police have a cotton ball and like a new skin applied to the boo boo. They give directions, give first aid. They join parades, lead motorcades. Police help kids to cross a street. They glove hands, wave their whistles tweet. Police ride bikes, they ride in cars. Their shiny badge glow like a star. Siren wails, wee, ooh, ooh, ooh. Bright lights flash. Coming.
Where's the bad guy? Where's the bad guy?
Right here.
Why?
Stealing.
I don't know.
Stealing what?
Candy.
From the
I don't know.
candy shop.
Candy shop.
So, what you doing? Motorcycle, swerve and broom. Police ride fast, broom, broom, broom.
What is that?
Police in both duck buck and zoom and ride. Police patrol along the shore.
Sure.
When flames flare
Why
high,
the firefighter and police car come?
firefighter put out the flame, put out the fire, and the police stop people from approaching the fire or clear the way for fire truck. Okay, fire truck. When flames flare high and smoke roll
and a
back,
ladder and firefighter.
police keeps people safely back. Police work hard to
Why
make
he
things
say
right.
freeze? Why
He say people keep out, okay? Stay back. Police work hard to make things right. Who knows what job they do tonight?
Dan?
Bien, hi, can I?
It's
Okay.
cute.
So cute, huh?
So cute.
Alright.
Get There's another book.
And another book. Come on. Yeah. Now,
Behind the concrete.
beside, not behind, beside the concrete mixer. Okay, that's good.
Beside the concrete.
Now, pick out the book.
Ooh,
Ooh.
this is not cool.
It's a big book, huh?
It's a big book.
Community helpers.
Garbage man.
Mr.
Miss Gully.
Gilly. Okay, teachers. Okay, so Miss gì nhỉ? Teacher.
Miss Alicia.
Miss Alicia is a teacher, huh? So teachers play an important role in a community.
That's a library.
Yes, librarians. Librarians work in the school or public
That's the
libraries.
Teacher. Another teacher.
Another teachers, okay? So where are the students? Here. So what's his name?
August.
What's his name?
I don't know.
So this is August, huh?
Yeah.
How about Cooper? Cooper đâu?
Cooper này.
Cooper đâu?
Đấy.
Gì nữa?
Anna.
Ala.
Yeah.
Ala đâu? Ala đâu?
Đấy.
Đâu chỉ bố xem nào. Ala is a girl?
Yeah.
You like her?
No.
No?
Her throw mulch at me.
Her throw what at you?
Mulch.
Much?
Yes.
You like Coopers? Or you like Coopers and August?
Cooper and August. Both.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Good. They are your friends?
Master. I'm a master. Master could play with them.
Cái gì?
Master could play with them.
So, teachers and librarians, okay?
The school bus.
Bus driver, okay?
What is that? Bus? What?
So, bus driver
City
help people.
bus.
So, let me
City
ask you.
bus.
Let I ask you a question, okay? Let me ask you a question, okay? So, where do teachers work? They
At
work
school.
at school, right? And they teach children and students, right? And they teach students how to read, how to do math, right? Math, counting numbers, and all the addition, subtraction, multiplication.
If you broke the ladder, teacher will be angry.
If you what?
If you broke the ladders, teacher will be angry.
Miss Alicia will be angry, okay?
Yep.
Okay, bus driver. So bus driver, some like school bus driver and street bus driver, right? They take people, they drive a big bus, taking people to places, okay?
That's a choo-choo.
Okay. Ooh, who is this?
I don't know.
Come on, who is this?
Mailman.
Mailman or mailwoman, okay? So, what do?
I don't know.
They deliver
Package.
and
I don't know.
letters.
Letters.
And mail and package and letters, okay?
Where's Miss Alicia?
Sure. Okay. Ooh,
Garbage man.
garbage man. Okay. So garbage man.
What garbage man? Go, turn the page.
Garbage man, where is collector?
I see a garbage truck. Why the garbage truck stay there?
So, let me ask you this. Where is the teachers going? To?
I don't know.
The teachers going to the?
I don't know.
The teacher going to the school, right?
Why?
Because that's where she works, right? So, okay. Where the street bus? Street bus though. Lawmaker.
Lawmaker do what?
That's the.
Who's that? Who's is that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
The lawmaker. So
Lawmaker do what?
lawmaker is the person who the lawmaker is the person who makes laws are the rules that people must follow. Lawmakers represent the people of a community. They work to protect the people. Lawmakers must run for office. People in the community vote to elect their lawmakers. Okay, so this is the judge, right? Judge. So judge are people who work in courts of law. People go to court to settle dispute.
Church.
No, judge, not church. Judge.
Church. Police cars. Police cars do what?
Police officer.
K9.
K9.
Let's kill one.
Oh, firefighter. Helicopter.
What is that? Airplane.
Firefighter use airplane to help fight forest fire. The airplane spray a chemical that help put out the fire. See that? Medical doctor. So this is doctor, the medical doctor, stethoscope, and this is a nurse, and this is a
Doctor.
what kind of doctor?
Nurse. Doctor.
No, what is this?
Puppy.
It's a puppy. So
What?
veteran.
The puppy have a what? Puppy have a what?
Veteran, the boo boo.
Why puppy have boo boo?
Veteran.
Why puppy have boo boo?
I don't know.
Because he ran and he tripped. So that's why he have boo boo.
So the utility workers.
Hey, what is this? What is that? What is that?
Veterinarians.
What is that?
That's a utility worker. So they
What
work
is
for.
that?
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
That is I think that's an underground wire. A manhole. A manhole. That's a manhole.
A
hole.
manhole.
A manhole allows you to get to underground
And do what?
and fix things underground like wires or pipe.
And cracker roach.
Mm.
And rice waters.
Mhm.
It's so dark in there.
Mm.
Firefighters. And ambulance.
Okay, so where's the firefighter?
That?
Okay, where's the medical worker? Medical worker.
I don't know.
Doctor, nurse, where's that they? Okay, and where's the lawmaker? Lawmaker.
I don't know.
Come on, lawmaker, right here. And where is the utility worker? Okay.
What is this? Fire horse?
That's a horse.
Fire horse?
Fire horse.
Oh, that's a fire station?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's fire station? What is that? That's a fire station? Oh, that's a fire station?
But that's not the fire station. That's the school.
School fire what? Why they get naked? They got what? They be what? They be naked? Why they be naked?
Because they ancient people, they don't wear clothes in the past. Okay.
Why they
That's
go-
it. Okay, look. Let's do this one, okay?
Okay.
Look. So lawmaker, where do they work?
I don't know.
Let's see. Now point the finger and go through the yellow. Oh, why don't you follow through? Come on, yellow. Come on, yellow. Where the? Yeah, Capitol building. So this is the teachers, right? Let's see where the teacher work. Now, go through the orange. Now, orange, and go to the
Here.
school. Okay, and this is a nurse or doctor. See, follow the doctor. Blue line. Go to the
Hospital.
exactly. High five. Do it. Yeah. So let's match up. Okay, who is he?
Burger.
What kind of worker? You.
I don't know.
Utility
Utility.
worker. Right.
Burger? I don't know.
Come on. Who?
Drive. I don't know.
Bus driver.
Bus driver.
Okay.
Jim.
Okay, dear. Okay, go find your mommy.
Oh, another book.
You want another book?
Yeah.
We read 5 books. Yeah.
5.
We read 4 books already. You want another book?
Firetruck.
Okay.
Another Firetruck.
Okay, that's it. We read 5 books today. Fire truck. Machines with power. Fire truck. Okay. So what are fire truck? What does it do?
Don't know.
Come on, what can fire truck do? Fire truck
Put the fire
and carry
stuff.
and take care and carry or take firefighter to the fire. Okay. Look, fire truck are fast machine.
Where's the
They have
ladder?
put out the fire
Where's the ladder?
over here. Remember we see the ladder today?
Yeah.
So fire trucks have ladders. Ladders take people up. Okay.
Long ladder.
Fire truck have hoses. Hoses get water to the fire. Fire trucks have lights. Lights means truck is coming. Fire truck have siren. Siren means make way. Wee coming through.
Bap, bap.
Bap bap. Coming through.
Bap, bap.
Fire truck must go fast. Firefighters ride in them. Fire truck hold gears. They have
Shovel.
tools for
Shovel.
firefighter.
Shovel.
Shovel and gear. So remember firefighter help you lift the hose today?
Yeah.
This truck is off to a fire. Hold on.
Just like Jim.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
I like those.
Oh, high five. Good. Yeah. Now one more time. No, okay, go fight for mommy.
I like you.
I love you.
I like you.
I love you too.
I like you.
Kiss me.